everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, yesterday I was checking your TMAs. Some of the TMAs I have checked, some I could not. So I found some of you made mistake. Achha, all of you have not joined. Those who are there, I have not checked theirs. That means Muazzam, Mudabbir, Khadija. 3 people have submitted. Sakleen and Khalid not submitted. So I cannot check theirs. If you have your TMAs, just check your answer. Suppose if I don't send you the corrected version also, just check your answer whether you have this answer or not. Okay. Because I have not checked yet. I will be checking yours also, but still just check your answers. Some answers I gave you, right? Question number 1A, you have to plot it on the number line, right? Do you want to bring your notebook, TMAs ka? Have you done the fair version, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
The fair version. Okay, still check it. Number line when you are plotting Leh, Amritsar, Mount Abu, you know how to plot -9 and +1. Route 2, you have a particular process of plotting route 2 on the number line that you have to follow. Is it clear? The arc and all. 1.414 you'll get, na? Yes or no? You remember how to plot route number line? So that way only you have to plot. Okay. Then question number 1B is you have to find the volume. Volume answer is 2772 centimeter cube. Okay. Radius you will find and then volume. Okay. Muazzam and Mudabbir, Khadija, is it correct?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 2A, angle Q is 140. So most of you have found it as 140, but you have to mention the reason that since opposite angles are equal, right? So it is a parallelogram. No, what is mentioned? Something is given, na? Opposite angles or something is given. Diagonals bisect each other. In this question, it is diagonals bisect each other. So diagonals bisect each other. That means it is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, so you have to mention it is a parallelogram, and then you will write the some of the angles on same side of transversal will be 40 plus 140 is 180. Okay, next question. M is to N is 3/4. I think it is 3/4. How much you have got? I don't know. Some of you have mostly have not done this question. Question number 3A, length is 32 and breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay. Question number 3B is 825 meters square, the area of the path. Question number 4B, again, you have to prove it is an isosceles. Yeah.
For the first B, what was the answer?
First B,
B, what was the
2772 centimeter cube. How much you got?
Ma'am, I got 2769.48.
Okay, how you calculate it, tell me. What is the formula for, is it a cylinder, right? So volume of cylinder is how much?
Pi r square h.
Correct. Okay, height how much you have taken? Because it is a rectangular thing. So jo length hai, that is the circumference, right?
Yes.
44 is the length. Okay, 44 is the length given.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 pi r is equal to 44 karo. From here you have to find out. From here you have to find out the value of r. R comes out to be 7 centimeter. Okay. Farhana, you got the correct answer. I think I have checked yours.
Yes, ma'am. I got correct in this.
2772 you got, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Sakleen, just check your calculation. R you will get 7 centimeter and then volume pay, you put 7 in place of R and you will get the answer. Okay. So Sakleen, correct this answer. Then question number 3A I told you, B told you, 4B I told, 4A na? 4A wala question jo hai Farhana, I checked yours, it was wrong. I think first part was correct, right? 4A ka first part is 8820 you got.
Yes, ma'am.
That is
The
correct.
second
Amount
one
is equal
answer.
yes. So amount is equal to 8,000. Part ke liye you just take amount after 2 years. That will be your principal, means you can find out SI, right? That will be the interest. So PRT by 100 kar lo. So amount after 2 year is principal, rate is given 5 by 100 and year is 1, third year is 1. So if you use 8820 into 5 by 100 into 1, you will get rupees 441. So second part is interest in third year, answer is 441. Okay. Or second method is what you can do, amount you can find out for 3 years using the formula 8,000 1 plus 5 by 100 whole cube. Okay. And minus amount for 2 years. Amount for 2 years is 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square. जो first part में calculate किया, right? Just subtract कर दो तो third year का interest निकल जाएगा. So anyway you can find out. Is it clear? Okay. So, and what was the next one? Question number 5. Question number 5, so everyone can do. You just have to 6 term 6 is equal to 9 term 9. And using this, you will get A is equal to minus 14D. And then you write down the expression of term 15, which is A plus 14D. So minus 14D plus 14D, you will get 0. So that is proved. Okay. Trigonometry ka question mein, which is question 5B. Question 5B is the distance between the two tower. Y means I have taken Y. So distance between two tower is 10 root 3. Okay, those who have done, just check it, 10 root 3, which is 17.32 meters. And the length of the height of the second tower is 10 meters. Okay, so those who have done can check your answer. Some answers I have already checked, some I'll check and send it back to you. Do it neat and clean, proper diagram. When you're doing geometry question or trigonometry question, please draw the diagram, okay? Because it is like a project, so you have to make it proper. Okay, now about the coming test, everyone, those who are there in the class, please note, even if I don't send it on Google Classroom, it is understood, it is prelims, right? First prelims. Now the date is in the last week of your this month, January. So I would be completing the whole syllabus. So in physics, chemistry also whole syllabus will be there, and in maths also whole syllabus will be there. Okay, is it clear? So it is like your board pattern only. Thing is 100 marks hai. Usually you have 85 marks, but it is 100 marks, 3 hours. Okay, Daniel, is it clear? Syllabus, is it clear, Daniel?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so the whole syllabus is there in your this exam for maths. No, bio also you will be having. But regarding bio, you please ask Daud sir about it. Okay, see how you have to answer. I'll prepare physics and chemistry ka paper and sir will prepare bio ka paper. 85 marks may will divide it. Okay, you will get to know about it. Even if you don't know, you just means you just know that it is 85 marks total. Okay, only thing is when you are answering the paper, answer physics and chemistry together, and in other supplement you have to answer biology ka paper. Okay, so that we can check it separately. Don't mix it together, the questions. So that way we can do. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt regarding your this upcoming test exam? Okay, so let me complete the maths thing, and next week we'll have the revision. Okay, maths and science both revision. Any doubt, anything is there, keep on doing it, and you can ask questions in the class. Okay, so let us start with the class. This is last exercise of installment buying. So I'm going to share the screen. Mudabbir, please make me host. Okay, So I'm going to share this screen. Okay, so we are going to do previous exercises. One exercise may be calculated cash down payment. Ek exercise may be calculated installment. Now this exercise, questions involving compound interest. If suppose you are buying something, you're doing an installment buying, and you're buying something which has installments for long period of time. Like we buy land, we buy house, we buy car. So it is not like 2-3 months mein installment will get over. We take it like 10 years ka, 5 years ka. For loan is taken like that. Okay, so installment mein. So how do we pay? Sometimes the individuals take long-term loan for purpose like buying a house, car, setting factory, etc. So in that case, installments are to be paid annually for a long. Sometimes the seller charges compound interest. So here we are going to use compound interest formula. Questions will be asked. A refrigerator is available for 12,000 cash or 3,600 cash down payment along with 2 equal half yearly installment. Oh, it is half yearly. Okay. And 2 equal installments are there. If the dealer charges an interest of 20% per annum, compounded semi-annually under the installment plan, find the amount of each installment. So first of all, what is the total price? Cash price is 12,000. This is your down payment. So cash down payment is 3,600. What is the balance amount? Balance amount is 12,000 minus 3,600. Okay. Rate is 20%, but it is semi-annually. So we'll divide it by 2. So it is 10% semi-annually. Now see, same process we have to follow. So what we'll suppose in this monthly, let the monthly installment be rupees X. So now we'll find the present value of principal for each installment. Okay. So for first installment, principal is P1 and second installment ke liye principal is P2. So X is equal to P1 into 1 plus 10 by 100 first year ke liye, first half year ke liye, and X is equal to second half year ke liye because it is half yearly installments. So and semi-annually hai. So X is equal to P2 into 1 plus 10 by 100 ka square. Now take out P1 and P2 in terms of X. Okay. So P1 is equal to 10 by 11X. P2 is equal to iska square X. And when we add P1 plus P2, that should be the balance amount. Okay. So P1 plus P2 is equal to 8,400. And then you solve it, you will get the value of X. Okay. Similar question. Another question, washing machine was available for this much cash. So this is the total cash price purchased under installment plan after paying 2250 as down payment. So down payment is this, find the balance amount. Balance amount is subtraction of cash, total cash price and down payment. So this is your balance amount. Okay. Then followed by 2 equal half yearly installments. So again, installments are 2. Interest is 8% per annum semi-annually. So 8% ka half ho gaya. Rate is 4% semi-annually. Installment, let us suppose X hai semi-annually. So first principal P1 for the first installment and P2 for the second installment. Same way, installment is equal to X. That is, interest is only the installment, right? X is equal to P1 plus 1 plus 4 by 100 raised to 1. Second installment is 4 by 100 raised to 2. Again, P1 and P2 find out in terms of X, add it and equate it to balance amount. Okay, so this way we have to do. Next question, 3 equal quarterly. Now just see the question over here. So all questions are similar. A juicer is available for 3,500 cash but was sold under installment plan where the purchaser agreed to pay rupees 1,500 cash down and 3 equal quarterly installments if the dealer charges interest at 12% per annum. Compounded quarterly. Find the amount of each installment, nearest rupee. So total price is 3,500. Down payment is 1,500. What is balance? 3,500 minus 1,500, 2,000. 3 equal quarterly installments. So let the installments be X. 12% per annum compounded quarterly. So 12 divided by 4 you will do. Quarter means 4 से divide करेंगे. So 4 से किया, so it is 3% quarterly. Now 3 installments are there. So P1, P2 and P3 will be the principal for 3 installment, and X is equal to P1 into 1 plus 3 by 100. X is equal to P2 into 1 plus 3 by 100 square, and X is equal to P3 into 1 plus 3 by 100 cube. Find out P1, P2, P3 in terms of X, add all and equate it to the balance amount, and you will get the value of X. Okay. So this way, all questions are similar. So let us solve this question, this exercise on whiteboard. This is the question. So start writing. What is the first statement we'll write? We'll write the cash price. Let me write the name of the exercise. This is exercise 9.4. 9.4. Okay. So first statement is, this is rupees. Again, rupees. So 1661 cash. So what is the cash price? Cash price of the bicycle is equal to rupees. Always write the unit. Rupees 1661 cash down payment. Is equal to how much? Rupees 400. So balance to be paid is difference of these 1661 minus rupees 400, which is how much? Rupees 1261. Okay, this is the balance amount. Now we'll suppose let each, it is again equal half yearly installment, and it is per annum compounded semi-annually. So this is important. So let each installment be rupees X. Okay. Rupees X, you have to write it is semi-annually. And how many 3 equal? P1, P2 and P3. P1, P2 and P3 are respectively the present value of, or principal, present value of 3 installments. So accordingly, X is equal to, first equation हुआ X is equal to P1. Acha, first of all, rate we have to find out. Rate is equal to how much? 10% per annum. So semi-annually it will be 5% semi-annually. So P1 into 1 plus 5 by 100. Second one, X is equal to P2 into 1 plus 5 by 100. You remember the amount wala formula? Amount is equal to, remember, P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to time. So plus 5 by 100 square second year ke liye, and third year ke liye amount is equal to P3 1 plus इज नॉट इंटरेस्ट, इट इज अमाउंट. इंटरेस्ट तो आता है अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. So 3 installments, so 1, 2, 3. Just a moment. And just find out P1 की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी. पहले तो इसको हो जाएगा 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 0. This is 20. So 20 plus 1, 21, 21 by 20, right? X is equal to 21 by 20 P1, which gives P1 is equal to 20 by 21x. Same way here, again, x is equal to 21 by 20 whole square into P2, which gives P2 is equal to 20 by 21 whole square into x. And third is x is equal to P3 into 21 by 20 a whole cube, which gives P3 is equal to 20 by 21. Okay. Now, what is the next step? Do you remember? P1 plus P2 plus P3 is equal to how much? How much should I write? P1 plus P2 plus P3 should be how much?
1261.
1261, yes. So let us put the values P1, P2, P3 key. 20 by 21 x plus 20 by 21 का whole square into x plus 20 by 21 का whole cube into x is equal to 1261. Okay. Next page पे we'll solve. We'll take out 20 by 21 x common. तो अंदर आ गया 1 plus 20 by 21 plus 20 into 20 upon 21 into 21. नहीं बचा, is equal to 1261. तो ये ब्रैकेट को पहले करते हैं. LCM कितना हो जाएगा? 21 into 21, right? We'll add now. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 21 into 21 plus 20 into 21 because 121 is already there. So 20 into 21 और यहाँ पे सिर्फ 20 into 20. Sorry, plus है बीच में. If you don't understand any step, please ask. And outside we have 20 by 21x. Okay, x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो now what will we do? x यहाँ पे है ब्रैकेट में. दिस इज 21 का क्यूब हो गया. आई हैव टेकन आउट 21 यहाँ पे बाहर, तो 21 क्यूब. दिस इज 20. ऊपर में 21 into 21 is how much? 21 square.
441.
441 ना? Is it correct? 441 na? Plus 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 0. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 420 plus 2 twos are 400 is equal to 1261. So ये सब इधर चला जाएगा. Let us calculate the bracket. 4 1 2 6 20 1 2 6 1. ये से ये चला गया. So what is left? 21 का cube, that is 441 into 21 divided by 20. So let us multiply. पहले 2 से ही divide कर देते हैं. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are sorry, 0.25 are 10 और ये into 21 भी है. See, anyway, you can calculate. I am just converting 441 by 20 को decimal में, so that ये multiplication छोटा हो जाएगा, and divide कर देती हूँ 10 से, so it is 22.05 into 21. Now, how much is it? Let us multiply 22.05 into 21. 2205, 0. 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 5, 0, 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, 463.05. So x की value आ रही है 463.05. Is it clear? So the amount of installment, how much we have supposed x as installment now. So each installment is rupees installment is equal installment is equal to rupees 463.05. Okay, is it clear, this question? Yes or no? Is there any doubt? I'm not getting any answer.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, so let us move to next question. Next question. Question number 2. Now, same way, now you tell me, how do we start? What will be the first step, Farhana? What should I write first? This is question number 2. Just first of all, read the question. Washing machine is available for rupees cash, rupees this much cash down with 2 equal installment, half yearly installment. Rate of interest is 16% per annum, half yearly. Okay, Farhana, tell me, what will be the first statement? What should I write first? See the previous question. What have we written? First line.
Cash price.
Yes. So cash price of the washing machine is equal to rupees 15,000. Okay, next statement, Mozam, what will be the next statement?
And the cash down payment is equal to rupees 2,000.
Correct. Cash down payment is equal to rupees 2,000. Okay, Khadija. Third statement.
Balance. Equal
Okay, what is balance? Balance equal to how much?
15,000 minus 2,000.
15,000 minus 2,000 is equal to rupees 13,000. Okay. Now, what will be the fourth statement, Mudabbir?
Ma'am, the rate of interest.
Let us write rate also. Yes, what is rate?
Rate is equal to 16% per annum, which is equal to 8%
Yeah,
half
so
yearly.
8% half yearly, yes. Okay, so 8% ho gaya. What is the next statement? Ahmad, can you tell me what will be the next statement? What will we suppose now? What will we suppose? Denominator, Khadija, what are you asking? Previous question 10 in the denominator. What denominator?
Ma'am, in the previous question, there was 10 in denominator.
Which one? 20, na?
In next slide,
Yes, 10 was there in the denominator. So I divided 220.5 को 10 से divide करने से 22.05 हुआ. Okay? Understood?
yes,
So I divided 220.5 by 10 for 222.05 into 21. That's why I cancel it with 2. Okay. So who will tell me? Khalid, can you tell me what will we suppose? What will we suppose? What do we suppose over here? Okay. Those who are there in the class. Yes. Let each installment be X. Rupees X. Okay. And what else? P1, P2 be the only two installments are there, and P1 and P2 be the present value of 2 installments respectively. Okay. Respectively we have to write because first year ke liye P1, second ke liye P2. So we equate X is equal to what? P1 into 1 plus, what is rate? 8. 8 by 100. And second is X is equal to P2 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. 8, 4 2s are, and this is 4 25s are. 2 by 25. Okay. So this gives X is equal to P1 into 1, sorry, 25 plus 2, 27, right? 27 by 25, which gives P1 is equal to 25 by 27x. Okay. Next statement will be similarly, you have P2 is equal to 25 by 27 whole square into x. Now P1 plus P2 should be equal to how much, Muazzam? P1 plus P2 should be equal to how much?
Rupees 13,000.
Yes, 13,000. So P1 is 25 by 27x plus 25 by 27 whole square x is equal to 13,000. We'll take out common now. So in next page pe I'll do 25 by 27 x को common निकाल लिया, and we have 1 plus 25 by 27, right? X तो बाहर आ गया, is equal to 25 by 27, x common बाहर निकल गया, only 25 by 27 है, equal to 13,000. Equal to 13,000. Calculate this. This is 27 plus 25 upon 27 into 25 by 27x equal to 13,000. Let us multiply over here. X 25 by 27 into 5 5 10 2 carry 152 upon 27 is equal to 13,000. So x is equal to cross kar do. Everything will go over there because it is multiplication. 13,000 into 27 into 27 divided by 25 into 52. 13,000 हो गया और 13 4s are right. Then anything else? 4 से cancel होगा. 4 2s are 8 and 4 5s are 20 and 0. 25 1s are 25 10s are. So 27 square है into 10. Let us multiply. If you remember 27 का square, good. Or find out 27 का square is how much? Can you tell me 27 का square?
$729.
How much?
$729.
Correct. So 7 to 9.
729 to 10. 7290.
Yes. So 7290. So installment is how much? Rupees 7290 is the answer. Each installment is rupees 7290. So calculation may remember you have to take out common, otherwise it will be very complicated and it will take so much time. Okay, now question number 3. Kamal purchased a computer in installment plan by paying rupees this much. So cash price. Cash price. Okay. No. Something else. Kamal purchased a computer in installment plan by paying. So this is down payment. Okay. By 3 equal quarterly installments of Acha. Installment is also given. 8788. If the rate of interest is 16% per annum compounded quarterly, find the cash price of the computer. Also find the interest charged. Okay. So cash price we have to find. So let us suppose the cash price be rupees X. Okay. How much is down payment? Cash down payment is given in the question. Rupees 5612.50. Okay, this is the down payment. So how much is balance now? Balance is equal to subtraction the cash price minus 5612.5. This much of rupees is balance. Okay, rate is how much? 16% per annum is quarterly. Quarterly will be how much? Tell me. How much quarterly?
4%, ma'am.
4% divided by 4. So 4%. 4% quarterly. 16 by 4 is 4. Okay. Now each installment is also given. Earlier question we used to assume is it as X, but here it is given. Each installment equal to rupees 8788. This is given in the question. Okay. So what is now, let us suppose our installment is over here. Yeah, and P1 is the P1. How many installments are there? Equal quarterly followed by 3. Okay. So P1, P2 and P3 will be the present amount. Okay. So principal for the years. So let us put according to the question 8788 P1 into, right, X की जगह पे अभी ये है. So P1 into how much? 1 plus 4 by 100. Second हो गया 8788 is equal to P2 into 1 plus 4 by 100 का square. And third हो गया 8788 is equal to P3 into 1 plus 4 by 100 का cube. Okay. So from here 4 by 25, 25 plus 1, 26, which gives 8788 is equal to 25 plus 1, 26 upon 25 P1. So how much is P1? P1 is equal to 8788 into 25 upon 26. Is it correct or not? P1 यहाँ है, 25 will go over here, 26 in the denominator. Cancel करते हैं. 26 से मे भी जाएगा, चलो 2 से कर लेते. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. 13 से जाएगा. Let us divide it by 13. Rough में कर लो. Somebody, can you divide? Because I don't have place. Divide करो. 4394 divided by 13. Give me the answer. Anybody?
Ma'am,
13 3s
336.
are 39 होएगा पहले.
Sorry, 338.
330. Yes, 338 होगा. Then multiply it with 25. This is 8450. So P1 की वैल्यू निकल गई 8450. Similarly, P2. P2 is equal to how much? 8788 into. This is what? 25 by 26, right? Again 25. So 20. This will be how much? 25 ka square and 26 ka square, right? This is square over here. How much we'll get? See, 8788 into 25 by 26 तो पता है क्या है? It is 8450. So basically we have to do 8450 into 25 by 26. How much is that? Again इसको 2 से कर सकते हैं. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. अभी 13 को divide 4225 divided by 13 is how much? 4 is 325. 325 into 25 is equal to 8125. So P2 की वैल्यू निकल गई 8125. अभी P3 की. P3 is equal to 8788 into 25 by 26 का whole cube. We have already done. ये हमने निकाल लिया है previous में. This we have calculated. अभी हमको करना है again 25 by 26, which is equal to 8125 into 25 by 26. Okay, ये लंबा करने की जरूरत नहीं, because already we have calculated P2 की value ना इसमें. This much we have calculated. Just multiply 25 by 26 again. So again 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. नहीं, 2 से तो जाएगा ही नहीं. 8125 आया है. So it will come in decimal. Lengthy calculations है. 8125 into 25 will do, which is equal to 203125 and divided by 26. Okay, let us divide 203125. Please multiply and check. I might make mistake. And we have to divide it by 26. Okay, 20 तो नहीं जाएगा, 203 जाएगा. 26 9 सा 9 2 सा 18 होता है, नहीं जाएगा. 26 8 सा जा सकता है. 208 8 सा भी नहीं जाएगा, 7 सा जाएगा. 26 7.
Ma'am,
Yes.
7812.5.
Okay, yes, 781. Don't use calculator, huh? You're using calculator. Don't use it. Don't make a practice of, because you cannot use it in exam, na, so don't use it. 10 में से 8, you should have practice of dividing also. 10 minus 8, 2. 21 हो गया. 211. 211. So it will go by 7, 8. It is 208. 9, 10, 11. Just do this calculation part. I'll be back. I think I have done some mistake over here. Just check it. Answer should be, answer is 7812.5. Khadija is correct. What have I done over here? Why I have written 0? Just check it. Please do it. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Did you get? How much you got? क्या mistake किया मैंने? Tell me ना, इतना क्वाइट रहने से कैसे होगा? 26. What mistake I have done? 211 हुआ था. 208
Ma'am,
is
312.
it's
Ma'am,
312.
there shouldn't be a 0. 26 12s are 312.
Okay, just a moment. Here it shouldn't be 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so this is how much we got. What were we calculating? This is equal to 7812.5. Okay, so this is our answer, 7812.5. Now we have to, what is the next step? P1 plus P2 plus P3 is equal to how much? Is equal to the balance amount. Balance is this much, x minus 5612.5. Okay, so just add it. 78124. P1, how much we got? P1 is this one, and this one. So let us write 8450 plus 8125 plus अभी जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया 7812.5 is equal to x minus 5612.5. Okay, add all these, how much we get? If you add all these, actually add करके then we have to subtract also, right? नहीं, और एक चीज add होगा. So let us 5612. 8450 plus 8125 plus 7812.5 plus 5612.5 is equal to x. Okay, minus 5 comes over here. So ये चार चीजें you have to add. How much? 5 plus 5 0 हो गया. 2 2 4 5 5 10 10 0. Okay, 0 and 3. Okay, so 30,000 is equal to x. Now what is asked? Question is asked, this is your x we have assumed as cash price. Okay, question is find the cash price of the computer. It's also find the interest, so we have to find the interest also. So interest is how much? Interest charge will be equal to total installment. How many installment are there? 3 installment. So 3 into 8788 minus the balance amount is the interest charge, right? So how much is 3 in this much? Minus balance is how much? Balance we'll have to calculate x minus 5612.5. X is 30,000. So 30,000 minus 5612.5, which is equal to 26364 minus subtract 0.5. Excuse me. Okay, so just check the calculations. I'm writing directly. Again, you subtract, interest charge will be rupees 1976.50. Okay, understood how we did? Because यहाँ पे cash price was not given, so we assumed cash price. Cash price में से when you subtract the down payment, you get the balance amount. Rate तो वैसे ही निकालना है. Then P1 is installment is equal to P1 into 1 plus R by 100, second, third, and P1, P2, P3 की value calculate की, add की, and then that is the balance amount. Balance यहाँ पे X के terms में है, and then we'll find out the this way X cash price मिल गया. And interest charge is extra amount that we have paid is interest. So हमारा balance this much था, and installment we have paid this much 3 times. So that extra money is the interest charge. Okay. Okay, so that is all. I think class. I'm late today. Last 2 questions, please do it in the same pattern and complete this exercise. Okay, next class, new chapter I'll start. So that's all for today's class. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.